Hello, friends, and welcome to Friday with Miss Allen. We are working on math using our 5 groups again today. Remember, a 5 group has how many? 5. You got it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Today, for our activity, we are going to be working on adding to our 5 group to make a whole number larger than 5. So I'm going to start here with my 5 group, and we are going to add to our 5 group to make the number 8 today. So I know there's already 5. Now I'm going to take my other cubes out, and I'm going to count up. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So I made this number using my cubes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I started with my 5 group. How many yellow cubes did I add? 1, 2, 3. I added 3 yellow cubes. So 5 plus 3 equals 8 altogether. Good work. We're going to try another one. I'm going to clear off my yellow. I'm going to erase that 3. I still have my 5 group, so I'll keep my 5 up there. I want to add to my 5 group to make the number 9. Alrighty, so I already have my 5 group. Let's count on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. I have 9 cubes. Remember, I started with my 5 group already, and I added some yellow cubes. How many yellow cubes did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I added 4. So 5 blue cubes plus 4 yellow cubes equals 9. Awesome. You guys are getting really good at using these 5 groups. Let's try 2 more. I would like for us to make 7. Do we have 7 right here? No, we only have 5. Let's count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. I made a mistake. I'm only trying to come up with 7. I'm going to start over. I have a 5 group. I'm going to start counting at 5 and add on. 6, 7. Did I do it this time? I sure did. So I started with my 5 group. And I added 2 blue cubes to make 7. So I have a 5 group. I added 2 yellow cubes. And I got 7 altogether. Alrighty, last one. Oh, I accidentally erased my 5. So remember, I'm going to start with my 5 group. I'm going to add together some cubes to make the number 10. I have a 5 group here. Count along with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So I counted out yellow cubes until I got all the way up to 10. So I started with 5 blue cubes in my 5 group. How many yellow cubes did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added 5 more yellow cubes. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good work. Friends, you can do the same thing using your fingers or other objects. If I decided to use my fingers as a 5 group, I could start with the number 5. And let's say I wanted to get to the number 6. I would start with 5 and I would add until I got to 6. 5, 6. Perfect. How many fingers did I add over here? Just 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Let's do one more using our fingers. Let's try the number 8. I start with my 5 group, and I'm going to count up until I get to the number 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers did I add to my 5 group? 3. Good work. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. You got it. We are doing something very similar on our workbook page today, friends. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my erasable pencil and write my name. You got it. I'm going to go ahead and write Miss Allen as nicely and neatly as I can at the top. Now, the instructions say use 5 groups. Write the number of extra counters. So, just like what we were doing, we already have this 5 group in the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's our 5 group. How many extra counters did we add to our 5 group? Just 1. I'm going to go ahead and write a nice 1 in that box. 5 plus 1 equals, how many are all together? 6. Good work. Let's try the next one. There's already a 5 group in that rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that match? Yep. How many extra counters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and write a 4 over here. 5 plus 4 equals, how many do I have all together? 9. Alrighty, just like the other 2, there's already a 5 group in the rectangle. We're counting how many we added to get to 8. So we're counting these extra counters down here. 1, 2, 3. 5 group plus 3 extras made 8 altogether. Let's do this last one together. This is already a 5 group. You got it. It matches this 5. We added some extra counters down here to get to 7. How many extra counters did we add to our 5 group to get to 7? I counted 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Cool. Let's try the back. Hi, Puzzled Penguin. Puzzled Penguin used a 5 counter strip and some extra counters to show 7. See right here, he's trying to show 7, and here's his 5 group right in the rectangle. Did Puzzled Penguin make a mistake? Help Puzzled Penguin. He says, am I correct? Correct means, am I right? Look at how confused he is. Well, let's see. He was trying to make the number 7. So he had his 5 group here, and he added on. He added on 1, 2, 3. Let's count all together, see if he was right. 5, 6, 7, 8. He actually has 8 counters. That's too many. Let's go back and count until we only get to 7. 5, 6, 7. So he made 1 too many counters. I'm going to go ahead and X that out so that he knows he made that mistake. Silly Puzzled Penguin. At the bottom, it says draw a 5 counter strip and some extra counters to show 9. So we're trying to get to 9 circles all together. I'm going to start by drawing my 5 group. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to show that this is a 5 group, so I'm going to go ahead and very carefully draw a rectangle around all 5 of those counters. There you go. That's my 5 strip. Now I'm going to add extra counters until I get to the number 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. And just like that, I am all done with my workbook page. Awesome job.